Today, I'm going to walk you through the absolute most streamlined and professional protocol for getting started on Binance, the industry leader in the digital asset space. We're going to cover everything from the initial handshake of registration to full-scale account hardening. To begin the process, click the link located in the description or the comment section right below this video. This will direct you straight to the official Binance registration interface. Now, pay close attention to this incentive. When you utilize that specific link for your entry, you will be eligible for a 50% fee payback alongside a $600 reward package. First, let's build your account architecture. Once you have navigated to the sign-up page via that link, you can proceed with the registration using either your primary email or your mobile phone. Simply input the email you've designated for your trading operations and make sure to check the Terms and Conditions Agreement box at the bottom of the form. Once that's set, click Continue. To verify the integrity of your request, a 6-digit verification code will be pushed immediately to the email or phone you just provided. Access your inbox, retrieve that code, and enter it right here. Once that's set, click Continue. Next, it's time to define your password. To ensure your account is cryptographically robust, it must be at least 8 characters long, including at least one number and one uppercase letter. Just like that, your account creation is complete. If the system prompts you for an inviter code, make sure it is active so you don't miss those welcome incentives. Next, we need to move directly into the KYC identity verification protocol. This is a non-negotiable step required to authorize deposits, withdrawals, and high-volume trading on the platform. Since this requires a biometric facial scan, we are going to switch over to the mobile application for a more seamless experience. Go ahead and install the Binance app and log in with the credentials you just established. The app will immediately trigger the verification workflow. Confirm your nationality and select your preferred identification, whether it's a national ID, driver's license, or passport. The system is highly optimized and usually processes these within about 5 minutes. Select Take Pictures for your document submission and hit Continue. Capture clear images of both the front and back of your ID, ensuring they fit perfectly within the digital frame on your screen. Then align your face within the oval frame and follow the movement instructions provided. Once the biometric scan is locked in, go ahead and confirm your additional personal details, such as your full name, birth date, and address, then click Continue. You will also need to select your occupation, then click Continue, and specific industry to finalize your trading profile, then click Continue. The review is generally very fast, and you can confirm your verified status directly on your profile screen once the system gives you the green light. Finally, we need to harden your account with two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Navigate back to the PC interface and hit Security under the Account menu on the left. Click Manage next to the Authenticator app option. When you trigger Enable Authenticator app, a secondary verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter that code and a QR code window will appear on your screen. Leave that there for a moment and download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once it's installed, open it and hit Get Started. For optimal security, I recommend selecting Use without signing in, then hit the Add a Code button. Select Scan a QR code and point your camera at the PC screen. A 6-digit OTP for Binance will generate immediately. Go back to your browser, hit Next, enter those 6 digits, and click Submit. Your Google OTP is now fully operational. That wraps up our technical walkthrough for the Binance onboarding process. If this video helped you optimize your setup, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive tutorials into the crypto space.